In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can withdraw your Sweatcoin money. Now, the first thing you need to do, guys, you need to look at your balance. Every 600 Sweatcoins equals $7. ET Sweatcoins equals $1. Okay. Now, make sure you have here enough balance. Okay. Now, I'm gonna be showing you guys a couple of methods or ways that you can do to benefit from your Sweatcoin money. You can also like buy something from Amazon, or you can buy products from any e-commerce websites. Okay, now first let me show you guys how you can use your Sweatcoin money inside the app. Okay, you can use it inside the app and you can get physical products that you can use in your real life. Now if you have, like I said, enough balance, you can just click on store at the bottom here in the left. Now after you click on it, guys, you will see here a lot of offers, and sometimes you will see here offers like PayPal gift cards and Amazon gift cards. Okay, it says here enter now to win $100 gift card of your choice. So this one is just, you just need to like refer like 20 people or 30 people, and you will be able, guys, to win gift cards like this, like $100 gift card. Now for people who have balance, they already have the balance, you can exchange your Sweatcoin for actual products that you can use in your real life. Like I said, you can also if you scroll up, you can see here donate. You can donate this money to charities if you are in the mood for giving. You can donate this money to charity, and also you can bid for you can bid for products, actual products inside the app. Okay, because the Sweatcoin has partnered with a lot of companies who sell, for example, clothes, accessories, and that's why they allow you guys to use your balance inside the app here to buy actual products. Okay, so if you have, for example, $1 here, you can buy products here inside the app. Okay, so yeah, the second thing, guys, is if you want to withdraw it directly to your PayPal account so that you can use it, there is no option for that, but you can get a PayPal gift card that you can use on Amazon. You can use it on any e-commerce website. Okay, as you can see, it says here, let me check here. It says here, that's what Sweatcoin website says. PayPal and Amazon, which feature regularly in our actions. Additionally, if you invite lots of friends and a part of our influencers marketplace, then you will see PayPal offers there too. So it says here, the long-term vision is to make Sweatcoin fully fledged currency that will be listed on exchanges. For time being, please enjoy spending your Sweatcoins in the marketplace with our brand partners and bid for amazing items with your Sweatcoins with our actual feature. So that's exactly what I said, guys. You can if you invite a lot of friends, you can see the PayPal offers. Okay, and you can get a PayPal gift card here where it says shop. You can find here PayPal gift cards, Amazon gift cards, but that's not common. Like a few people will be able to get the PayPal gift card and Amazon gift card. And that PayPal gift card, you can also choose to keep the balance inside your PayPal, and you can also withdraw that money to your bank account. Although this is rare, but it happens. Okay, so yeah, that's it, guys. I hope, guys, this video helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video.